What is P2P or peer-to-peer? If I have to explain peer-to-peer in a simple example, let's assume a group of friends, like friends of you, have a song, a MP3 song, a most recent song, and you're copying that song from one person to other person. You probably copy it on a pen drive or a network drive, or maybe emails, and each of you have a copy of that particular song, right? So that is happening on a traditional way. You are now copying things. Imagine a network where when somebody uploads a song, you all get a copy of the song. That's exactly a peer-to-peer network is all about. It's also called as a mesh network because it's all connected. It's a shared networking connectivity where the network resources are shared and clubbed, where the network resources are shared among all the participants. And all the participants in the network have the same equal rights. Let's take an example of a same song where a group of friends have a song and one person identified this is a pirated song, it's not purchased, and that person can delete it because it's going to be coming into privacy issues. So when the song is deleted, it's deleted from the entire group of people. That is advantage. And let's say somebody add a new record, or maybe somebody uploaded a new record, it's going to be synchronized across all people. So here if you see, all the participants have a privileges. Somebody can add, somebody can delete, somebody can update. So all of them have a equal rights. There's no one person having a higher authority or other person having a lower authority. That's exactly peer-to-peer network work. And the peer-to-peer network, each node or each participant is a consumer and also a supplier. If I have to explain this same song, I bought a song and I'm copying this song to the entire network, whereas you're actually consuming that part. And when you upload a song, I'm consuming that part. So there's no single like client server or maybe single authority peer-to-peer where each one have a equal and we can be a consumer and we can be a supplier at the same time. And if I have to explain this in a better way, some of us maybe depending on the age, we used torrents. Now the torrent, when you use a torrent, let's say I've downloaded a movie onto my laptop, and when I keep my torrent application open, somebody near to me, if they're also copying a movie, part of a movie is copied from me, a part of a movie coming from a different laptop or a desktop, so that the file transfer is faster. And each one of us have a same copy of the movie, right? So if you use the torrent before, now it has a number of connected nodes, how much it's coming, how much is seeding, how much data is seeding, how much data is pushed. So all that data was part of the torrent application. So blockchain is a typical peer-to-peer system, and we have so far peer-to-peer system is used on a multimedia content, because I've been talking about the same example, a movie or a song. So that's how the content is distributed across the peer-to-peer system. And the peer-to-peer content system is also referred as IPFS, content-based addressing, which IPFS stands for Hypermedia Distributed File System. So this could be asked in one of these interviews. If somebody asks you what is IPFS, explain that is a hypermedia, a distributed file system using peer-to-peer technology. Understanding peer-to-peer is very critical for you to learn blockchain technology. So make sure you understand peer-to-peer network. If you're stuck somewhere, do let me know, or probably do some more research on peer-to-peer.